Greetings everybody and welcome back to the Awesome Lindsay channel. So let me walk you through this light setup. The first light that I placed is an AD200 Pro in a 10 by 36 inch strip box. This is for an edge/rim light. I took a test shot, and as you can see there's a hard shadow from the light on the background, so I threw on a grid to help control that spill. And as you can see, this helps keep a lot of that light off the background. There still is a bit of a shadow on the background, and if we were doing a more darker, moody shot, I would have spent more time getting rid of that faint shadow altogether, but I'm going for a high key look, and I knew the other lights would wash it out anyway. The next light is an AD400 Pro in a 42 inch octabox. This is placed far to the model's left side or camera right, so that the light can kind of spread out and give me more evenness to the side light. And as you can see, this got rid of the shadow from the strip box and starts to give her some more dimension. This last light is another AD400 Pro in a deep parabolic softbox. This is a glow easy up box. This modifier has the ribs in the center, and this allows for its easy upness. And they also include a reflector plate similar to what you'd see in a beauty dish. And I'm using the plate with no diffusion and no grid. This will give me a more harsher, more punchier look. I'm going for a similar feel of like a bronze color para reflector, and this modifier I feel gets me pretty close and for far less money. And as you can see, this fills in the front of the body, giving me more that high key look that I'm going for. So we did a handful of poses with this setup, and these are the final results. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments field. I'll do my best to answer them, and thanks everyone for watching.